Hi everyone, I will show you how to create a survey. Like for example, if you want to make a midterm course evaluations for your class, you can use this website. So my path, and then go to the SharePoint, the top left over here, and click the app launcher, and then click the form. Okay. If you already made some of them, you should be able to see all your form over here. Let's say you want to create a new one. This is the first time you make this survey, for example. So just click the new quiz button over here. And then give the name, okay, like for example, maybe bio 1, let's say 39, okay, human anatomy and physiology 2. Okay, let's say this is for fall 2023. Okay, and then you choose which one you're gonna use as your first question for the survey. Let's say choose choice over here, so type of multiple choice. Click that, and then type your question over here. Because I already have question from my previous one, I can just use that one. I just, I will just copy this question. Okay, so you don't have it, then you can type it. Okay, so put that question over here, type the question over here. Okay, and then add all. Okay, so I manage my time well during this course, whether strongly agree until strongly disagree. So student will have these 5 choices. And then for the second question, you can add new question over here. And this time I will use text. Okay. And again, because I already have from my previous class, so I just copy from here the question. Copy. And then put it here. Okay. Again, if you don't have it, then you need to type it. Okay. What is the most important or valuable things that you have learned in this course so far? So student will type their answer in this box. And then for the last question, okay, I only use 3 questions for this survey. Add new. This time I'm going to use a choice, multiple choice. And again, because I already have the question from the previous one, I just copy this question and put it in my new survey. Okay. And then the option, I already have these options here, so I can just copy one of these, okay, and then put it here on the first option. Okay, then I will also put on the second option. I will add 3 more options, so I will have 5 options for the student. Okay, one more. Okay, so the question for this number 3, survey number 3, how many hours per week do you spend on this course? So let's say for the first choice, 0 to 2 hours per week. And the second choice, I can change this into 3 to 5 hours a week. And then choice 3, this is, oh yeah, this is 6 to, let's say, 8 hours per week. This one I can put 9 until 12 hours per week. And the last one, I can change this into more than 12 hours per week. Okay, so you're done with this survey question. Now you're gonna use or choose the color that you want to have, the background color. So I can use maybe this color, okay? And then we can close these color choices, okay? Background choices. And then the next thing that you have to do is to set, okay? Make a setting. So you click this three dot and then click setting. Okay, in this setting, you already have, setting that already actually made. So for example, only people in my organization can respond. This means that only your student can respond for this type of survey. Accept response. So you click this, okay, check this, okay, check mark. And then you can also customize the thank you message. So you can click here. So it's already have this kind of thank you message. If you want to change it, you can type it here. And again, I already have in my previous class, so I will use that one. So this is my thank you message. I can copy, put it in the new ones over here, and paste it. So thank you for participating in this evaluation. I will award you can say 10 bonus points or 5 bonus points. So whatever you want to do, or maybe there is no bonus point just for survey. It's up to you. Okay? And then after that, after you set that, you click this collect responses button, and then copy the link. Click copy the link. Okay, and then you go to your Blackboard. You can create a link, okay, the new folder, the link that will take the student to this survey. So when you click that, when you make a folder, then make sure you put that link on the link box, okay, and then tell the student to click that links. So when the student click the links, okay, it will take to the question that we have. Now, after all students already give the answer, let's say you make that survey available for 1 week, after the due date, then you can open this SharePoint again, okay? Click this app launcher, click the form, okay? And then look for the form that you have for the student that you give them the link. Let's say I'm gonna use this one. You should be able to see the responses over here. Let's say I will click this one, bio 225. I already have this one, and student already answered the survey. I already closed this survey for students, so I can click this. When you click that, then if you want to see the responses, you have to click this responses button. Click this responses button. And then you can see the response, okay, here, or you can easily open in Excel form. So click Excel, okay? And then you can save it, you can download it in any folder on your laptop or desktop. Okay, let's say you save it somewhere here. I'm gonna put in the desktop. Save it here, and then you will see this downloaded here. After finished, you can open. Okay, when you open, you will see the Excel results of the survey. I will show you the results of my previous survey. Okay, I will not open this one because it has a student name and also email, but I will open the one that already highlight the name and the email with black color, so you don't see their name and email. Okay, so if you see here, I have 33 responses in one of my class over here, and then you see the name of the student, the email of the student, and when the student actually give the response. So from the first one until the last one that give the response. And then over here, you can add a point, for example, if you say you will add 10 points, then you can put 10 points on each this student that respond to your survey. And then after that, you can transfer this point or score into the Blackboard gradebooks. Okay, so I think that's how to you do it. You don't forget to save it again. So make sure you have this document on your archive. I think that's all. I hope it helped you to create a survey or any course evaluation that you need for your class. Thank you.